Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you a very easy hairstyle for your medium length hair. First of all, comb your hairs and make sure that there are no frizz. Take half of your hair and tie them with the help of a rubber band, this way. Make a ponytail and roll your hairs inside your ponytail. Repeat the process. Now take some loose hairs from the left and right side and tie them together with the help of a rubber band. Repeat the same process as we did for the first ponytail. Make sure your ponytails are tight. Comb your hairs once again and take some hairs from the left and right side and once again tie them together with the help of a rubber band. This way. As you can see, our 3 half ponytails are ready. Now comb the loose hairs and tie them all together with the help of a rubber band. As you can see, here we have 4 ponytails are ready. Now at the end, place a thick rubber band in your ponytail and carefully roll some loose hairs around the thick rubber band. Make sure that the entire thick rubber band is covered with loose hairs. To give a fancy look to this juda, I am using pearl or flower pins. And to tighten the juda, make sure that you use hair clips or hair pins. So here we have very easy and very fancy parlor style medium length hair juda at home. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.